Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is a full spoiler video showing you all the contents inside the April Glossybox Beauty subscription box. If you're interested in subscribing to get this box for yourself, then you will be able to do so from the 1st of April onwards. If you subscribe now, then you will receive the March box and then you'll go on to get the April box afterwards. Now Glossybox have sent an email, which I'll go and get because there's a bit of information I want to share with you. Right, I got it up ready. So if you're new to Glossybox, Glossybox costs £13.50 a month and that includes shipping. Inside you get 5 beauty items. Sometimes we get the odd freebie as well. They do offer a reduction if you opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, but if you opt for a monthly rolling subscription you can cancel any month. Now I have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to get your first box for £8.50. I'll pop it up on the screen, but I'll also pop it down below as well. And if you were to use my code, it means I get credit, so then I'm able to purchase any limited editions off the Glossybox website, or I could use credits to shop on the Look Fantastic website, which helps in buying boxes to show you from there as well. So thank you if you do use my code. The value of this month's box comes in at £68, and they've written here they are running an Easter egg hunt on Saturday the 5th of April around Manchester city centre, which they've asked me to let you all know. Living in West Wales, I don't get to attend a lot of events. Well, actually, I don't attend any events because it's just too far away. But if any of you are near Manchester, then yeah, pop along. You never know, you might have some fun. And some freebies as well. So links to the subscription, links to the Glossybox website, including their Easter egg as well, which is still available, and there's a £10 off code for that as well. You'll find it all listed down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and vouchers to other websites. So yeah, you're welcome to take a look if you want to. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This is how it arrives. I'll leave you a sneak peek first, although saying that, you're seeing more worms than anything. There's a QR code here, but I won't be able to scan it and tell you anything about the products in the box because I'm super early in unboxing this box. But from the 1st of the month onwards, then it'll give you information. On the back here, if you were to subscribe for the April box, then there's another QR code here for you to scan, and you can get to choose your own shade of the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable Hua Glow for May's Edit. Oh wow, okay, I haven't tried that, but no, that'd be really good. I wonder what they'll send me. This is a PR box. I wonder what they'll send me. Random one, I suppose, isn't it? I forgot to say at the start, but yeah, you sometimes get to choose like different shades and things, what you want in the box. So let's get all these products out. We've got a perfume. This is by Sentia, and this is Noir Riviera, and there's 10 mils here. And this retails for £34, or it's worth £34. Ooh. Oh, that is nice. I don't think I've tried this one. I have tried perfumes from this brand before. Oh, this is really nice. It's more musky. Let me have a look so I can tell you exactly what's inside it. Not inside it, you know what I mean. A gentle breeze carries the enchanting scent of apple flowers, filling the air with delicate sweetness. It's a unisex scent. Top notes are flowers and apple, middle notes are gardenia and jasmine, base notes are patchouli and sugar. Yeah, it is nice. I like it. I do really like it. So there's that. Then we've got Molten Brown. This is a little mini fiery pink pepper bath and shower gel, and there's 50 mils there. This is worth £6. Yes, nice. I do love Molten Brown, especially their rhubarb one. The rhubarb hand washes, the rhubarb shower gels. Yeah, Glossybox, if you're watching, I'd be really happy if you to put anything rhubarb from Molten Brown in. But yeah, this is still nice. I'm not saying this isn't. It's just I went off on one then thinking of my favourite one. But yeah, this is still a nice shower gel. Okay, we got something for your lips. This is Dr. Paw Paw lip balm with SPF 30. It's a multi-purpose lip balm with natural paw paw. This is full size and it is worth £4.99. I just want to see if it smells. See if it smells nice. Oh, these balms. See, it's a clear balm. I prefer the clear ones. A mix of like a petroleum jelly, but with a mango or a strawberry sort of undertone. That's what it smells like. It's got a slight smell to it, but it's multi-purpose, as in because it's clear you can use it on your cuticles or any dry patches on your body. It's like a strawberry smelling lip balm. We've got Small and Mighty Extreme Volume Mascara by Sophia and Mabel. Ooh. We used to see this brand a lot a couple of years ago in Glossybox. I don't think I've had a mascara though. This is full size and it's worth £15.70. It's the wand. Can't really give you an opinion either because mascaras are very unique, aren't they? I've never tried it, so I don't know about it, but got mascara. And then lastly, we've got Beija. This is Exfoliant Visage Vitalite, and there's 25 mils there, and it's a face scrub. And this is worth £9.70. There's no English, but I can read on the back there. No, just that it's a face scrub. Okay, put a little bit on my hand, just see what it's like. Yeah, it's not harsh. It feels quite nice actually. Oh, it smells coconut. Just like a chocolate bounty bar. That smells lovely. So we got an exfoliating scrub from Beija, got a fiery pink pepper bath and shower gel from Molten Brown. We've got a Dr. Pawpaw multi-purpose lip balm. We've got a Small and Mighty black mascara from Sophia and Mabel. And lastly, we got No Riviera by Sentia, a 10ml perfume. So we've got 3 full sizes and 2 deluxes. I love the perfume. That is really, really nice. Shower gel, definitely use. Lip balm is always handy in the house with the 5 of us. The facial scrub as well feels really nice on my hand. It doesn't feel too harsh. I think it'd be quite nice. And yeah, the mascara, who knows? I might like it or I might not. I don't know. But yeah, it's not a bad box actually this month. I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think of it? Are you a subscriber? Are you excited to receive it? Or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.